So, way back in about 1864, Ontario was a big producer of cheese. And so there were like several hundred cheese factories in this general area. Back in the day, I think altogether there were like 2,000, over 2,000 in Ontario by, 1900. And yeah, it's super interesting because they used to transport all this cheese on these roads like this, which this is like an old rail line. So back in the day, it was being shipped down to Belleville, Ontario, and then it would get distributed all throughout Europe. And also in World War II, I guess they were a big provider for that event also. So all those dairy farms are pretty much all gone now. There's only a couple left, and yeah, it's really interesting history. So anyways, enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh, if you remember when we were coming out, and hopefully it's in the video, I pointed to a road that I've been down before, and it had a gate there. It looked like you couldn't get through, but this is it. It's a little bit of this section's a little bit bad because this old railroad track was in here and the ties are still in there, and they're just under the surface. Oh, and we did have a big windstorm the other day, so some branches around. These railway ties. Well, hopefully there's nothing on the road that's going to stop us. Oh yeah, this looks fine. Nice clean water. Like for a pond, that water is like crystal clear right now. It must. Well, you say the wetlands and stuff, they filter water, so, but it looks really nice and clean. I would say that someone's been down here probably today. See, there's a tree here. Well, it's a good example too. When I was telling you, like old forest trees get blown over, you see the big mound there. They cut it off. It must have been right over the trail. So when that rots and the tree goes away, you'll see big mounds on the forest floor, and that's what that's from. So, all right, keep moving. Yeah, could see more damage. Yeah, we had one heck of a winds and stuff come through here. It's been maybe at least a week now. Even in town, there's stuff still laying around. noticed that fence there before. So I've had this bike for about a year now, and so last year I started going through all these areas. I've been down this road before, and it had been like, it really is probably like 20 years since I've been driven bikes like this and that, and so it actually took me quite a while to build up confidence and just sort of get some skills back again, because I remember going down here, because it is a little bit goofy in places, just how the rocks are. It's, jostles you around a lot, but I remember I was pretty caused some apprehension, let's put it that way, and now it's kind of like, oh, this is fine. So give things time, and if you're new to motorcycling, just take your time. Eventually those skills, you'll build them up, and you'll be all good. I don't know where that road goes. Interesting. I'll have to come back. I like to look on the map first, because I don't want to run into someone's property or something, and I don't know. So there's more trees. I'll just stop here. You can see them. They're hanging over. They're torn out, but I don't know. Those are tough to get out sometimes with a chainsaw. It's unpredictable. Wow, it's the first time I've ever seen a vehicle in here. I don't even know how they would have got in here. Because that gate is never open at the end of the road, so this will be interesting. And normally you'd expect to see like a truck or something. If you were, the only time I saw one other vehicle on here, and it was a truck, and it was a guy doing some work. Probably you guys might be on part of his property or something. Never seen a car on here, because there's no houses on here. Good thing I was wearing my boot. I just got a stick on the side of it. So now I want to find out, like, is there a lock on this gate or what? Yeah. There is a lock on it. I don't know if they would have driven their car around it. Maybe. I don't think so. So... I just want to see something here. Yeah, let's go straight. It's a nice day. It's a beautiful day to be driving, so I'm not really in that much of a hurry to get home. It's just that I said I'd probably be about 3 hours, and I think I'm doing really good. I have like another hour to get home before anyone should be worried, but I'm probably like a half hour out, so it's always good. I try to be a little bit ahead of schedule. I should get one of those live GPS trackers. I don't know if I'll have to look it up, if it's really expensive or not. That way someone can find me.
Okay, everyone, I'm just going to head her home now. And thanks for coming along on the trip. We'll get some more videos done here. So have a great day. Please like, subscribe, put a comment down below. Take care, everyone.